Thank you guys for tuning in to another video, and if you been tuning into the channel because you been into the F350 build that we've been doing, then this video is going to fit basically into that whole category. What I'm going to be doing today is removing everything off the back of this, all the lights and everything, and we're going to probably add some more mounts and some more lights and stuff to it and paint it, this whole back section here, and do a little bit of rust repair on it in an upcoming video. But before we get into that, we need to take all this stuff off so we can address the situation, get to everything better, replace all the broken lights, you know, all that good stuff. So what I'm using today for this video is the Craftsman 1/4" socket set. It's basically all we should be needing at the moment. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. The thing I want to address is this bent bracket here. It looks kind of shitty. So we need to find a socket to fit that. It's probably a 10. That's a 10 for sure, using the Craftsman little socket kit. I just picked these up today, by the way. Very good tight ratchet. So we might need a wrench underneath this, I was thinking. Nope, just a self-tapper. So we got the two self-tappers out. You always want to double check when we're moving stuff like this. Make sure that's the only thing holding it on. And it is. And this is the wiring harness. It needs redone. It's basically a pretty rough shape. And you can see this is a ground wire. All this will be redone on this truck. But that's one of the tail lights. We can now take this and we paint this. And we install it without a bent bracket. So let's try to bend that down just a little. See what we got. It's bent too far. Bend it back up just a tad. Much better. And it was just that simple to just fix that tail light. So now we got that, we can set this to the side. Upcoming video on restoring these. This guy needs to come off. And of course it's a self-tapper. But now that's out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and remove all these across the top. Now we have this big mess unhooked. That was a battle, but we got this tail light too. So to remove these, all we need is a one-way and a four-way, and I'll show you how to do this, just in case you run into these. The covers pop off. They easy broke, so you might want to take care of these. And these are the LED style lights right here. And personally, they just come loose just like so. That's what we got. They just regular screws, and they are not self-tappers, and they ain't even threaded. So that's how come a kind of a pain in the ass to get out. That's no biggie. We can get them out nonetheless. They just 4 of them. Again, comes off the same way. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this side off camera. So stay tuned. So this is what it looks like with everything off, and this is what we're going to be repairing in the next video. is that place, and there's a place over here, and it's been plated once before, but it just needs a better job, maybe cut out and replated with a piece of steel. Easy fix, so I ain't too worried about it. So this is all the parts we took off. We will not be reusing any of this. Maybe this if it's still good. If not, we just get one. But we are going to be reusing the tail lights, and I'll be showing you how to clean these up and paint these housings before we install them, because ain't no use doing all this work and plating this and putting parts that don't look nice back on it. And we can cut costs by reusing what we can. And we definitely can reuse these. These still work great. They've been tested on the truck before. And yeah, good content coming up, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, you know, I don't know what to call it, just working on the Super Duty F350. If you did, drop a like, leave a comment if you got one of these trucks, and if you use it to work, or you know, if it's your daily driver. And be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. I appreciate it if you do. Thank you for watching.